Natural logarithm function and its graph. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is Euler's number? How do we find it? 2. What is the history of Euler's number? 3. How do we write Euler's number? 4. What is a natural logarithm? 5. What are the rules applied in natural logarithms? 6. How do we solve equations involving natural logarithms? 7. How do we deal with natural logarithm functions? 8. How do we plot the graph of natural logarithm functions? How do we model the curves produced by natural logarithm functions? Introduction. What is a logarithmic function? How do we plot its graph? Do you remember what Euler's number represents? What is its value? What if the base of the logarithm was Euler's number? Is this number qualified to be the base of a logarithm? Think about its value before answering. In this tutorial, we will deal with the natural logarithm, a name given to base E logarithms, where the properties, the corresponding function and its graph are explained. Moreover, we will build on the knowledge of curves modeling, this time focusing on the exponential functions containing Euler's number. That is all for introduction to natural logarithm function and its graph. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 13.4.1, Understanding Euler's number. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.